Hey folks, temperatures cooling off across the valley now. In some places they were cool all day where the clouds kind of hung in. Right now, though, still 74 in McAllen. Everybody else in the 60s, 63 in Harlingen, 68 Brownsville, 66 in Port Isabel at this hour. Everybody's going to drop into the 50s tonight. The coolest readings will be far west. Probably see a couple of readings in the upper 40s from the ranchlands. About 51 in Edinburgh, 52 in Weslaco, 62 tonight at the beach. And then tomorrow, it just doesn't warm up as much. Temperatures stay a lot cooler across the area, valley-wide, than what we saw today. Upper 60s for the most part. The beach might hit 70. Northerly winds at about 7 to 15 miles an hour. So a cool day, kind of in and out of the clouds. I think there'll be plenty of sunshine, but there'll be a few clouds mixed in as well. 67 tomorrow. That's well below average for this time of year. 70 on Wednesday, and then Thursday we're at 75, and that is right on the 30-year average. They take 30 years worth of today and put it all together, and they average out the temperature, and that's where we get that normal high or that average high. And right now that's 75. Take a look at the satellite. It does show those clouds kind of coming and going today, certainly thicker in the lower valley than in the upper valley. Some nice breaks across Hidalgo County, and now everybody's seeing at least a little bit of a break in the cloud cover. But overnight, and it's going to be that way, just a few clouds here, a few clouds there. Into the morning, probably some stuff close to the coast during the daytime tomorrow. We're going with partly sunny skies, but even with that, it'll be cool. And if we don't get sunshine like it was shown for the lower valley, it could stay even cooler than what we're forecasting. Wednesday, I think we're all back into the clouds. Now the newest model hinting at maybe a sprinkle, but I don't think anything measurable at all on Wednesday. I think Thursday, as the clouds continue to thicken up, our chances for rain start to go up just a little bit as we go through the daytime Thursday to about 20%. And then Thursday night, Friday night, even into early Saturday, the chances go up just a little bit more. We'll talk more about that in a little while, but for Thursday, at about a 20% probability. I think we're dry Tuesday and Wednesday. The rest of Texas, it's chilly up north. 47 in Dallas, 32 in Dalhart right now. State capital's at 58, so way cooler than what we are here. 59 in San Antonio. A lot of clouds in the state, but not much to write home about just yet. Black lines of the upper level wind flow coming out of the west right now, up high. That's mainly a dry wind flow, but it's here at the ground. A northeasterly wind going underneath that's giving us a few clouds. Now, as we go through the week, here's Wednesday. The high pressure begins to move eastward, so our surface wind here at the ground starts to come more out of the southeast. That brings moisture back in a big way. At the same time, a big upper air storm system up on the left side of the map over there just begins to show up, bending the upper level winds, so they're coming out of the southwest, way up high. That brings moisture up and over the cooler, drier air that's here at the surface. This is a pretty big storm system, going to be a mess in the west. As it moves eastward, it pumps all that moisture up and over this cool front that's pushing across the state. And at the same time, something called difluence. The wind's going north over here, the wind's going east over here. Air pulls apart. That's lift. You get showers, you get thunderstorms, and that's what's going to happen across a lot of Texas Friday into Saturday as that low moves in this direction. We'll look at a longer range forecast coming up in the next half hour, but it does include rain from, again, slight chance Thursday, kind of peaks Friday and then tapers off on Saturday. At the coast, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, moderate chop on the bay. UV index is moderate. Small craft operators urged to use caution. Low tide, high tide, and low tide there for you. So for tonight across the valley, just patchy clouds, 52 for a low. Northeasterly winds 6 to 12. So a cool night, cooler than last night. Tomorrow only 67, mainly sunny. There will be some clouds out there, but plenty of sunshine as well. Only 67 for your high. Back to 70 on Wednesday, 75 on Thursday. The clouds thicken up, about a 20% probability of showers. Thursday night, Friday night, showers, even a thunderstorm, a possibility with this. And then Saturday, I think things begin to go away. And by Sunday, sunshine, but only 61 for your high. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.